Hello! In this video you will see 3 ways to wear your Hermes scarf with a shirt in the office. These styles are very simple and probably you see some of them before, but they are so elegant, I just love them. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena, welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf, and now let's tie a scarf. My scarf size is 35 by 35 inches. It is a vintage Hermes scarf éperon d'or. For the first style, fold your scarf as a triangle, tie a knot behind. Arrange your scarf on your shoulders, just like this. This simple style will show the beauty of your scarf. For the next style, fold your scarf as a large band. Place it on your neck under your shirt collar. By the way, if you like vintage scarves, I will leave a few links in the description to some lovely vintage scarves on Etsy. Pass both ends through a scarf buckle. This style will elongate your neck and slim your torso. For the third style, fold your band in the middle. Place it on your neck under the collar. Pass the ends through the loop. Easy and elegant. If you want more ideas for your Hermes scarf, check these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!